You're 100% positive this is the road.
How thick is this, dude?
So this has to be one of the craziest off-roading that I've ever done. You know, I've owned full-size Raptors. I've jumped them. I've hit the limiter. I've done a lot of things in a Baja style, desert runner style. I haven't done a lot of this rock crawling here in Colorado because the full-size Raptors don't fit. As you can see here, this is the trail. The trail, because of all the mountain snows melting, has turned into pretty much a river. It was by far one of the craziest things that I've ever done, especially doing it in the brand new Ranger Raptor. I'm going to make a follow-up video talking about all the trail damage that I sustained, and we'll walk through everything in the aftermath. But out of the box, this truck is definitely more of a Baja truck than it is a trail runner or, you know, doing these Jeep Bronco trails, given the package out of the factory with, you know, 32.5-inch tires and really probably 31-inch tires when you deflate them to 25 psi. But it was absolutely gnarly going through this. If you guys like this content, please subscribe, please comment, and I'm happy to do a little bit more of this. But as you can see, and you'll see later on, the truck got pretty deep in a lot of these crossings. But I hope you guys like these videos and enjoy this video.